Hey, good morning, everybody. Brent with Johnson RV here in Medford, Oregon. Hey, today I want to show you a beautiful pre-owned piece of inventory we got. This is our 2021 Leisure Travel Unity 24CB. This is the quarter bed floor plan, leisure travel quality. So Leisure Travel's been like the top Canadian manufacturer for well over 50 years now. This is on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. And this is the quarter bed model. So you got the nice big slide out right there with the slide toppers on board already. Tinted frameless windows all the way around this unit. Alcoa aluminum wheels, roof mounted solar. Very, very high-end finishes all the way around. A nice big Carefree power awning, on-demand hot water heating system. And like most corner bed floor plans, you got a big storage compartment on the outside right there. Power single entry step coming inside the unit. Again, this is a 2021. It's in amazing shape. So you got a nice little booth style face-to-face dinette right there with fantastic overhead storage. So that is where your slide out is. Nice big skylight above that does open up. Also has the shades as well. You got a screen and an actual night shade right there. Nice big storage with the safe above the cab area. Leisure Travel actually reupholsters the front captain chairs. So these are very, very comfortable. And a lot of storage around this whole unit. So you have your whole DVD player and stuff like that up top above that TV. Corian countertops, 2-burner gas stove, big stainless steel sink. And really a lot of storage for a 25-foot motorhome. And this thing is laid out very, very well. Nice big pull-out pantry right here. Another TV in the corner bed area with more overhead storage above the bed. Plus all this wardrobe closet space, big refrigerator, and a fantastic sized bathroom. All hardwood cabinetry around this whole unit. Again, all these are travel builds is vans, so very limited production, a lot of attention to quality control and detail. So you're looking for a high-end unit at a fantastic price with low miles. This could be a great one for us. If you have any questions about this unit or anything else Johnson V carries, please just come on the team. Thanks so much and have a great day.